Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 Platinum. This F-350 is featured in a black paint finish. Under the hood we have a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine with our automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in both front and rear of the vehicle, as well as a cooled option in the front, power driver and power passenger seat, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, our GPS navigation, heated steering wheel, an integrated trailer brake controller, as well as much more. Outside the vehicle we have our black alloy fuel wheels, our powered running boards, as well as our power tailgate, soft rolling tonneau cover, and a spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our power extending mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors, and then our rear window lock and power windows. Door handle is below. Then we have our power locks and driver seat memory with 3 different settings. Storage throughout the door with our speaker in the center. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our mirror lighting, all of our interior and exterior lighting controls, power tailgate function, as well as power adjustable pedals and our park brake release in the bottom, power tilt telescopic steering column, as well as a power driver seat. Seat itself finished in our black platinum trimmed seats. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center we have our information systems that we can see vary throughout, and also have a digital speedometer. Down to the left hand side of the steering wheel, this is the controls for that driver information system. Below it we have our adaptive cruise settings. Moving to the right hand side we have volume, seek, as well as our mode. Hands-free and voice recognition are below with our mute as well. Then on the right we have our column shifter, push to start ignition, transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive, as well as trailer brake controller and trailer backup. Moving to above our infotainment, we have some storage and a B&O speaker above. Diesel exhaust brake, traction control off, hazard lights, lane departure warning, and then if we click our camera, you can see we have a surround view camera with rear guidelines. To the infotainment screen we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. If we click sources we can also see we have Bluetooth. Climate controls in our menu, we also have our heated steering wheel. Then we have a phone connection, navigation with GPS functions, our apps, and then settings. Below that we have volume, our 6 favorite features, seek, media, and tune. Dual zone front climate control with front and rear defrost, as well as max AC and AC. Individual settings, or we can sync them to dual, and it shows our temperature on the screen. Just below the climate settings, we have a cooled and heated driver seat and cooled and heated passenger seat. Wireless charging pad, as well as a USB-C and USB-A below that. Also have a little bit of additional storage in the front. And we have more storage and 2 cup holders. You can see our key fob in the storage space here. We have locks and unlocks, a remote start, power tailgate, as well as an alarm system. Moving to our center console, we have a leather finish. Button is on the driver hand side. We have 2-tiered storage, some coin storage, as well as deep storage. Also inside, we have our 12-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our black leather with platinum trim and heated, cooled, and powered. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have all of our dome lighting controls across the front, powered sunshade settings for our powered moonroof, powered settings for the moonroof itself, our sunglass holder, power sliding third rear window. On the sunshade for the driver, we have a universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. And lastly, we have our dual pane panoramic sunroof ranging from front to back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the hood we have a paint protection film. Moving out to the front tire and rim, we have our fuel black alloy rim with our fuel center cap. Moving out, we have chrome cap trailer tow mirrors, as well as chrome finished door handles and a chrome power running board across the bottom of the vehicle. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have platinum as well as Super Duty on our chrome tailgate, as well as Ford badging, trailer tow hitch in the bottom of the vehicle. Opening up into the back, we have our backup camera above our power release. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, as well as cable tie-downs in the front to the back, our spray-on bed liner, and then above our bed, we have our soft rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as storage throughout, and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it, we have 2 rear vents, a 12 volt plug, 120 volt plug, as well as USBs for charging, and heated outboard seats. Second row seats, we can see they fold up in a 60-40 split. We have our release down the side, it's just hard to do with one hand. Under seat storage throughout. To unrelease, all we have to do is simply pull and push forward, and it's the same where we can pull and push up on the front of the seats. As we can see, it's a 60-40 bench finished in our black leather. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders that pop out on the front, as well as a armrest. Then lastly, behind the third seat, we have our power sliding rear window. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Ford F-350 Platinum. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.